In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the PS4 or PS5 version of Minecraft on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to the PlayStation Store. Then what you want to do is select the search icon in the top right corner, and then in the search bar at the top, you want to type in Minecraft. Now, when you do this, Minecraft should pop up, and what we're going to do is select this version. Now, recently there was a free upgrade, so if you have Minecraft PS4 version downloaded, you may see on the right a PS5 upgrade. But to select the version you want, simply go to the three dots, and we're going to go to Select Version. And then here's where you'll find the PS4 version as well as the PS5 version. So go ahead and select the version that you want to download, and I'm going to select this. And then you simply just have to wait for your download to finish. Now, once your download has finished, you should see the Minecraft game pop up on your home screen, and then it's simply just a matter of launching the game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.